Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn how to check if an array includes a specific value or not in JavaScript. So let's get started. There are two methods which helps you to check includes a specific value in array or not. The first one is that is called includes. Okay, so here you can see that here we are defining the array. Okay, and here we are checking if the array includes the three value, means this value it exists. If it is exist, then it will console that array includes three, else it will show that it will not include the three. So the syntax is, here you need to define the array, the variable dot includes the value that you want to check in the array, if it includes or not, right? So here you need to pass your value that includes in the array, right? So this is the first scenario. Whenever you have wherever we have a check the like in array it exists that value or not, you need to add the includes, right? The second one that is called the index of. So let me confirm you that what is index of. Index of method is used to find the index, right? So what we are doing, we are just checking the index of 3, right? If index is found, right? If the index of that array is found in the array, that means it exists, else it will not exist. Okay, so here index of method is used to find the index of the first occurrence of the specified element in an array. If the element is not found in the array, the method returns -1, right? So you can see that if the element is not found, that means what it returns -1. And that case it is not found, then we are do the manipulation of our code, whatever the logic we have to build, right? So here you can see that we are finding the index of 3. If not equal to -1, that means it is included, else it is not included, right? You can see that if the element is not found in the array, it always returns -1, right? So on the behalf of it, you can add the check. Here you can see that I have checked not equal to -1. If it is not equal to -1, that means it includes, else it is not includes. Okay, so this is how you can check if an array includes a specific value in JavaScript or not. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.